When you are ready to make your prints, you're going to need your design and 2 white square papers. We're going to prep our print. These are your print papers. We're going to prep them first by folding them into 4s. They should be squares, so it should fold pretty easily. So down at one of the bottoms, you will write 1 in one corner, and then 2 in the second sheet. So that's 1 and 2. And then right about where the fold is, right in the middle, you're going to write your name and your teacher's name. And then again, name, and then your teacher's name. And that's how you're going to find the corner, and that's this area right here. And the corner is the smallest quarter circle. So not this side, not this bigger one, but it's going to be the inner corner circle. That's going to be your center. So you would flip it over, and on that back side, you're going to draw a big dot. And that's how you know that this is going to be the center of your design. And this is your traveling ticket. You have to have this in order to go visit the inking station. Here's what an inking station looks like. They're along the back counter, and you have a styrofoam tray. You have your brayer, and you have your ink. When you get to your inking station with your plate, you are going to, let's see if I can adjust this a little bit better. You're going to put a little bit of ink up top. So you need to unscrew the cap. Ooh, there's a lot of little things there. And you're going to put about an inch worth of ink right up at the top. You will not need all of this ink. So you'll take your brayer and you will dip. So I'm going to dip, and then I'm going to go down a section, and I'm going to start to roll. And when I roll, I'm doing this slow. You could do this quicker. But I roll and then pick it up. Roll, pick up, roll, pick up. Now as I'm doing this, you'll notice that the brayer is not getting completely coated, and that is my goal, is to get the brayer completely coated. So I'm going to turn to the side, and I'll side, pick up, side, pick up, side, pick up. Notice that I'm not rolling back and forth. If I roll back and forth, it doesn't rotate all the way around, and I want it to rotate all the way around to get the brayer completely coated in a layer of ink. So that's pretty coated. I don't need any more ink. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to coat my plate. So I'll roll all the way to the top and up again. And roll all the way to the top and up again. Okay. When I'm done, I'm going to put my brayer with the rolly side down and the handle off right back on to the inking station. I'm going to start off with the paper that says number 1, and I'll flip it over. And right where it intersects, I'm going to put the dot side in one of the squares. So I'm going to press, and I'm going to pick it up, flip the whole thing over, and begin to rub. And I'm rubbing all around that little plate square, making sure that I touch all the corners and in the center. And if I think I did it good, I'm going to do it one more time. Feel like it's really, really good, I am going to peel it off. All right, so I've got my one print. And now I'm going to do another one and another one and another one. Roll, pick up, roll, pick up, roll, pick up. Come back to my plate, go to another square, line it up, press, flip, rub, flip, peel. That one turned out very nice. This one didn't have enough ink on it. So I'm going to do this again. And so I have my design. These three turned out really well. This one did not turn out as well, and it happens sometimes.